Hey guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you how to share your screen with audio in Messenger. So if you want someone to see your screen and hear the audio during a Messenger call, then just follow along. First, open the Messenger app and start a voice call or a video call with the person you want to share your screen with. And once the call is connected, tap share or screen share button. And if it's your first time using screen sharing, Messenger will ask for permission to record or broadcast your screen. You need to accept the permission to continue. And after the screen starts sharing, anything you do on your phone will be visible to the other person. And if you're sharing media that includes sound, you need to make sure your phone's media volume is turned up. And keep in mind that whether the other person hears your app audio depends on your device and operating system. Some phones support sharing internal audio while others only transmit your microphone during sharing screen. And when you're finished, return to Messenger and tap Stop Sharing to end the screen broadcast. So that was how to share your screen with audio in Messenger. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you for watching.